Hi, if you can't find an app on your Samsung Galaxy phone, it may be hidden from the home screen and apps screen. Fortunately, Samsung makes it easy to unhide hidden apps in just a few steps. Start by going to your home screen and long pressing on any empty area. This will open the home screen customization menu. Next, tap the home screen settings option, usually represented by a gear icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find hide apps on home and app screens and tap on it. A new screen will appear showing two sections. The top section contains apps that are currently hidden, while the bottom section displays all available apps on your device. To unhide an app, look for the app icon in the hidden app section at the top. Depending on your Samsung Galaxy model and One UI version, you can either tap the minus icon on the app or simply tap the app icon itself to remove it from the hidden list. After selecting all the apps you want to restore, tap Done or Save. Your changes will be applied immediately. The apps will automatically reappear in the apps drawer and, if desired, can also be added back to your home screen. If you still can't find an app after unhiding it, try using the search feature in the apps drawer or restart your phone. In some cases, the app may have been disabled rather than hidden. That's all it takes. By following these simple steps, you can quickly find and restore hidden apps on your Samsung Galaxy device and access them whenever you need them.